Hi everyone, in this video I am explaining one of the Python program which was asked me in the interview. So the program is to find the duplicate numbers from the given list. Okay, this was the list given. So from this list I have to find which numbers are duplicate. So you can see in this list 2 is repeating 2 times and 3 is repeating 2 times. So the result must be 2 and 3. These two numbers must be displayed in the output. Okay, this was the program. So let's solve this program. I'm using this input is in the form of list, right? So I'm using two lists here. Why I'm using two lists is one is for unique elements, to store unique elements. Another empty list I'm creating for duplicate list. I'm using for loop here. I'm taking one variable to variable here to read each and every numbers from the list. So I in, what is our list? List is nums. Okay, colon, enter. So here I'm using if condition. So what is our first element? I, right? I not in unique. So here I am displaying unique elements, right? So if I is not in this unique, so it should add in the unique list. If I is there in this unique, it should add in the duplicates. So here I am reading one element from the nums list, so that I'm checking whether this I is there in the unique or not. If this I value is not there in the unique, so I am adding this value to unique. Okay. Next one, else. Else, here what I am doing, if I is there in the unique. If I value is there in the unique, then it should add in the duplicates. Duplicate dot append, open bracket, close bracket, print duplicate. So you can see 2 and 3 are the duplicate numbers. So once again I will revise the program. I am using two lists here, empty list. One is for to store the unique elements, one is to store the duplicate elements. Okay, I in nums. First element I am reading. First element is 1. 1 not in unique. If 1 is not there in unique, then it should add 1 to unique list. Next one, it is reading 2. 2 in nums, right? We are reading one value 2. 2 not in unique. So I am adding to unique. So next one is what? It is reading 3. 3 not in unique. No, right? So I am adding to unique. Second one is what? 2 again. So 2 not in unique. Yes, it is there. Then it will add to duplicates. Okay, next one is what? 4. 4 not in unique. No, right? So what I am doing? I am adding 4 to uniques. Next one is 5. 5 not in unique. No. So I am adding this 5 to unique. Next one, 3. 3 not in unique. There in the unique list. What I am doing? Condition become false. So it will go to the else part. So this 3 will be added to the unique. And here what I am displaying? Duplicates I am displaying, right? So it will display the duplicate elements. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any doubts related to Java and Python, you can comment me in the comment box. I will try to make video on that topic. Thanks for watching my video.